Hudhayfah radiallahu anh, he said we were sitting with Umar radiallahu anh, and Umar said, any one of you know about the hadith of the fitan? So they said, we all know it. We all know the hadith of the fitan. He said, I'm not talking about the fitna of the man with his spouse, with his household, with his neighbor. I'm talking about the fitan that comes like the mawj al-bahr, like the waves of the ocean. فسكت الجميع, everybody was quiet. And then I said, I know that hadith. يا أمير المؤمنين. Said, لله أبوك, يعني الله أكبر. I really wanted to hear that hadith. He said, listen carefully, my brothers. إن الفتن تعرض على القلوب كالحصير عودا عودا فأي قلب أشربها نكتت فيه نكتة سوداء وأي قلب أنكرها نكتت فيه نكتة بيضاء حتى تصير على قلبين قلب أسود مرباد كالكوز مجخيا لا يعرف معروفا ولا ينكر منكرا وقلب صاف لا تضره فتنة ما دامت السماوات والأرض أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. He said, I heard Rasulullah ﷺ said that temptation will be presented to the heart like the reed mat. You know those mats we have over our countries, like the hasir, like they're made from sticks, woven sticks. They are presented to the heart like the reed mat, stick by stick. Whatever heart ushribaha, soaked it, enjoyed it, took it, a black spot will be done or will be spot into his heart. And whatever heart rejected it, a white spot will be on his heart. Until the hearts become one of two. Qalb aswad, a black, completely dark, black heart. Look at this. I'm sure most of the brothers who know Arabic does not know what does al-kuzi mujakhiyan. Anybody knows? Yeah, mashallah. Yeah. It means that the black heart is like a cup that is upside down. كالكأس المقلوب. I'm going to explain the hadith. I'm just translating now. لا يعرف معروف. He does not know anything about good. And لا ينكر منكر. And he does not even stop evil. And another heart, pure white, صافي, لا تضره. No fitna, no temptation will ever affect him as long as the earth and the heaven exist. So let's take it quickly, inshallah ta'ala, because it's a weekday and I know that you have to go. The fitan will be presented stick by stick. A woman walking half naked on the street is a fitna. The cellular phone in your pocket right now is a fitna, because you could go to any haram in your fingertips. The internet is a fitna. Walking in the university is a fitna. Walking in the market is a fitna. Fitan left and right. May Allah protect our children. Fitan left and right, up and down. Whatever heart soaked it, enjoyed it, liked it, loved it. There's a heart that loved this stuff, addicted to it. A black spot will go into that heart. And you can imagine a black spot after a black spot after a black spot until this heart become completely dark and blocked, contaminated, cannot receive any guidance. It's closed. لا تفرق, لا يعرف معروفا. This heart does not know the difference between bid'ah and sunnah, does not know the difference between halal and haram, between ma'ruf and munkar, does not know anything. It's blocked. Like the cup put upside down. Look at the example Rasulullah gave. If you have a cup that's upside down, no matter what you pour in it, nothing will go in. You talk, lecture, Jumu'ah, nothing. You pour it, nothing happens. Blocked. There are two kinds of fitan, ya akhwan. Fitan of the shahawat and the fitan of the shubuhat. There are some trials that are called shubuhat. These are very dangerous. A person have doubt about the existence of Allah. A person have doubt about the day of judgment. A person have doubt about Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. A person have doubt about Qur'an. These are doubts, shubuhat. And then there is the fitan of shubuhat, of shahawat, the desires. Some people desire zina. Some people desire gambling. Some people desire riba. They desire it. That's another form of fitan. So this heart is open to any fitna. May Allah protect us from this heart. And the second heart, subhanallah, abyad, pure white, safi. Rasulullah said the word safi, pure, pure. لا تضره فتنة. No, anything you mention to him, what? You're asking me to go to that place? You're asking me to drink this? You're asking me to listen to this? You're asking me to mix with these people? Astaghfirullah, no way. What are you talking about? It's impossible. لا تضره فتنة. No matter what fitna it comes, it hits and bounces back. ما دامت السماوات والأرض. And that heart stays like this as long as there is existence. Subhanallah. So, we found from this hadith that the hearts of mankind are divided into two hearts, a black heart and a white heart. We beg Allah Azza wa Jal to give us a pure heart. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make us meet Him with qalb salim.